just got my headlight restore. The headlights on this thing are a beast, so let's see how this thing works. Here's my, alright, so first thing, well, you know, let me clean it with a baby wipe to make sure first. Okay, it's pretty foggy. Okay, nice and dirty. I got all the dirt off. All right, wipe and clean across the headlight, immediately drying headlight here. Clean paper towel. Okay. Oh, what the? Look at all this dirt. I thought I cleaned off the... Okay, all right. Paper towel. Okay. Looks like there are two of these in one of those. Number 2, do not unfold wipe and thoroughly wipe both headlights with the wipe. Wow. Look at that thing. That's cool. Wow. Look at that, and there's this one, just the difference. Let's try this one again. Whew. Like new. Here you go, Headlight Restore. HeadlightRestore.us. Amazing.
Impressive, right? Go to headlightrestore.us and get car headlights clean and beautiful again. Check out more of our videos to see our wipes in action.
Want to buy in bulk? Become our distributor and enjoy our low wholesale prices on the large orders. Buy more, save more.